Hi, this is Abdul Aziz. Today I thought I should take you for a visit of my website. It's I have completed some parts of it, so it can be shown. Uh, it's http www.telecomlearner.com. So right now I have put it as http only because this site has you don't need to put any password or there is no secure data. You don't need a secure connection to this site. So if you have a site on which you are making some username and password, then you have to be sure that this site should be secure site because otherwise you don't know how it is securing your password. But if like for example this has no password, no financial data, no anything of that sort, so there is no requirement to make it like a secure site. So if anyone has any doubt, I mean, because I feel that some people they take security in very literal terms. They don't even visit unsecure sites. So I can give you a kind of encouragement that no, all insecure sites are not basically insecure. If a site is insecure but still it's asking you to put some username and password, then this may be a real problem and you should avoid that kind of site. But if a site is insecure, it's not HTTPS, but there is no uh, username, password. There is no any secure thing it's asking for you, so you can go to that site. I mean, and if you want, you can use this incognito tab if you just want to be a bit more secure on the insecure side, because in incognito some of your data is not saved in the browser. So but just to let you know that this site has no any kind of issue. So if you will type the name of site, you will reach on this main picture. So here I have just put a small picture, and I will try to change this picture after every few weeks, and I will put a new picture of some new place of the world, so that anyone who comes to this site, he can at least learn some geography and some good knowledge as well. So this is like this picture. This is a pass, very known pass, Babusar Top. Its elevation is 4,173 meters. So I have given a wiki link as well if anyone likes this picture, you want to learn more. So because my site, it's all about learning. I mean, so also I have made a picture archive. I will show you. So I have given some very small brief that okay, we can help you learn if you want to learn. I have my videos as well. Like this sample video, you can just open it from here, and from here you can go to my blog site and you can go to my YouTube site. On the right side there is some contact details if you want to send me an email. If you want to use this number, I will say that it's better that you use it on WhatsApp, because calling will not be easy always. I mean, because sometimes everyone is busy, so getting time to take a call is not very easy to manage. But you can WhatsApp and I will reply. Here, these are the categories of my posts. Like I have one post on Quran, social issues. In telecom, I have 30 posts up till now. I will be adding more. So security, operation, cloud network, big data, architecture 5G. So there are quite uh, good number of posts. I will be adding a lot more posts in very near future. So you can enjoy those posts. Here is a link to my LinkedIn profile. So if you just want to go to LinkedIn, okay. Now I have put only three menu items here. I don't want to make it a very big list. Maybe in the future, if I have something, I will add. But right now there is one learn. You can learn something about Quran, about path loss, propagation, cloud network, and PMP. So if you go in any of these, for example, I will try to make more focus on path loss. Like if you click on path loss, this is my path loss page. Here you can learn path loss. So I have written that I have launched this page so you can start interacting with me. These are the my 16-17 posts on path loss where I have shown a lot of things, but these are all basic. I mean, how you can do some basic things in path loss. I will be starting the advanced thing now. Very soon you will get my very advanced and very insightful pages where you will learn if you are a bit, if you are already on an expert level or you are on a good level of path loss, because these posts are mostly for the people who are on a very beginner's level. Like this is the main post, design a link in path loss. And in this post, I have given a reference of all the other posts. Like for example, if I start from here, set GIS configuration, I have given a link on how to configure GIS. So it's a link to my own posts. This is the second post. This is referenced on that page. So in this post I have, you can say that I have make a reference of the other post, but I have given a step by step. I mean that for example, if you start path loss, from where you should start. I mean, you start path loss, then what should you do first? Because the problem I was having, a lot of people, they were not getting to know that okay, these are the posts, but from where they will start, how they will start, and I mean what they will do first. So in this post I have tried to tell you that okay, you can start from step 1 and then you go to step 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the middle I have, like for example, I have given some kind of tips that okay, once you generate the path profile you need to set antenna heights. So I have tried to make it very simple, very effective for anyone who is new and who want to learn. A lot of things I have said that these are right now, you just go with the default, and I will show you in my later posts. So I have tried to given you everything in a nutshell. I mean, I have tried to make everything easy for understand. If someone really wants to learn path loss, he will get a step by step, very simple, very elaborative method. Then these are some of my videos in which I have shown these same steps in a form of video. These videos are quite old. I had made these videos almost 3 years ago. So very soon, when I will be completing some other parts. I will update these videos as well, and I will put new videos here. But still, these videos are not bad. I mean, you can watch these videos and you can learn. And one thing that I always request, if you are having any problem, please make a comment here. write something, what problem you are having. Give me your name, your email address. So, and you can save it if you want, so that next time you will not be required. I mean, there should be cookies who should be managing it. But uh, for example, if you are working in some real environment, you are working for some project, you can write, if you are having a problem on a link, you can give me the coordinates. I will not share the coordinates with anyone. You can watch my videos. I generally don't share the data of another person. I just try to provide some feedback. There are a lot of person who are contacting me, and I'm providing them feedback, and they are happy as well. I will soon share these kind of stories as well, how hiding with the name and other sensitive details. But I will try to share that as well, so that you may know that I'm just providing this guidance with no other reason. I mean, so if you have any problem, you can write a descriptive comment that you are having this kind of problem. And you can, if you don't want to make, because the comment is generally visible to everyone else, the other option is, this is my email address. You can send a direct email to me and try to provide me some snapshots at what is the problem that you are having. So coming back to this post, on this main post, you can learn everything, that how you can design a link in path loss starting from scratch. You start from scratch and then you can make a full link. So, okay, this was my path loss page. In the same way, this is microwave propagation page. This page is empty, but it is going to be filled very soon. I hope that within by end of next week, you will find a lot of information on this page as well. So the path loss page is for the path loss software, and this page is a general guidance of microwave propagation, that how microwave propagation take place. So this will answer a lot of underlying questions, a lot of things that I have, you can say, kind of left on that page, that okay, these kind of things, for example, ITU, rain prediction, let it go on default. But here, when I will tell you that what are the predictions, how they are used, then you will not need to leave it on default. You can configure that part as well. And I will make connection between these two posts, so that from here you can directly go to path loss and you can see that where this thing fits in. From path loss, you can directly come to this site. So as I am working on cloud network as well, so there's one post about cloud network. The people interested in cloud, they can watch this post and they can check my videos. I have some other posts as well, some other videos as well, but I have not made a post of them. The people who are interested in project management, this blog is also, this page is empty right now, but very soon I have already some videos. I have, if you go in my videos and you search for PMP, I have given a video of, let me give you a brief on my YouTube channel as well. So this is my This I encourage people that keep a two-factor password, because these days things are not that easy. I mean, so you should have two-factor authentication, because otherwise you can have some problems. So this is my YouTube channel. This is the channel dashboard. I just want to show you some playlists. So, like in microwave propagation, I have a video as well already. If you want to see a video of microwave propagation, you can see it. In path loss, I have 50 videos. I have made some videos on office learning, Excel, technology, social. So this is project management. I have already 15 videos. PMP introduction to PMI, PMBOK, what is planning, so what is project management, what is WBS. So I will be adding posts about these videos, and I will add these videos to my page here. But if you are interested to know, you can already check some of my videos, that what is a project and these kind of videos. So I've already made some videos about PMP, which are not here, but they will be added here soon. This is, you can say, my future plan. I want to make a network consultancy kind of service, where I will try to give some feedback on network audits and planning and training. Currently, all of these services are free of charge. So you don't only have to contact me in case of a path loss or microwave issue. If you are having any issue in a network audit, you are having any issue in your normal network running, network planning, you have very extensive experience. So you can write to me as for getting a second opinion. If you're having any problem, you want to start anything, and you just want to have some background information, or you want to have a subject matter expert feedback, if you want to just need to consult anyone, so you can always reach me. I'm a no-cost consultant. So the last part is contact us. If you click on contact us, this is the form. On this form, you can contact me. You give your name, email. I had requested for some volunteers who can go through my website on a regular basis, and who can provide me some feedback that if my site is lacking something, if there is any small mistake of grammar, or if some picture is not visible or not giving a good idea. So if you are interested in volunteering with me, you can share your interest. Otherwise, you can even give me a general feedback directly as well, about the website, about the content. And if you want to contact me on email, you can send my email, or you can send it through this contact form as well. And if you want to call me because of any reason, I will say that please give me a message first, so that I can give you some time, because getting time for call is not very easy. So in this contact us, I have a privacy page as well. On this privacy page, I have written very simply that what kind of data we collect and if we use it anywhere or not. So like we use cookies, and here I have very simply, very straightforwardly written that we retain some of your data like your email address, but it's not shared with anyone, and you don't have to worry about your data. Any data you share with us, this data will not be used anywhere else. So here I have a credits page as well. The people who should be volunteering with me, I should put their names so that everyone knows that these people have provided some assistance in this project. This I have made a pictures archive. This was the previous picture on my website. This was the main picture. Then I have put a new picture now, and then when I will change the picture, I will put another picture. Then this picture should also come here. The picture on my main page should be visible here. So from here, I mean, there should be a kind of picture archive. I mean, whatever picture I used on the main page, I will put these pictures here just for the remembrance of people. And this is all of my posts. If you want to go to the post page, it's under contact us. Almost 31 posts by now. So you can go to post page and you can find some post and you can read it here. You can go through category of pages, or if you like, you can search. For example, you are interested in path loss. So these are all the posts related to path loss only. So I hope this was a good introduction of my website. You are fully welcome to visit, take a look, and give me your feedback that how was this website, how do you like it, and so hopefully we can learn together, we can help each other in this learning project. And if any one of you he needs any specific information, or he has some peculiar case that he wants to be discussed on this forum, you can write to me that I'm having this kind of problem and I want you to make a video on this problem and share it with everyone. So I can do that for you. I mean, I can take your problem and I can try to solve it, and then I will share it so that other people can also provide their feedback. The main reason that I made this website was that I wanted to make it interactive, that okay, anyone who is having any problem in path loss, cloud networks, any IT thing, uh, project management, PMP, so he should write his issue and then we can collectively try to solve it. So I hope within some time this will gain a bit popularity and we will try to get the same kind of help from this forum. So keep watching my videos, do keep a contact with me. Uh, One thing that do subscribe to my channel. I still have very low traffic on my channel, so which shows that a lot of people are not watching this. So I think that this is a good stuff. You should try to watch it. It will help you understand a lot of things. It will help you, it will guide you in a lot of things. So Okay, see you in my next video, and hope you're having a good time. And you're having a rain right now, so it's very good weather in May, very cold with a lot of rain. So I hope everyone else is also having a good time at his home. Okay, see you. Bye.